Welcome back to Mooney English. Digital nomad, a person who earns a living working online from various places rather than a fixed location. Apply, to relate, concern, or be suitable for someone or something. Immigration, the action of moving to a foreign country. Interest rate, the proportion of a loan that a person must pay back on top of the amount borrowed. Remotely, away from a usual location or from a distance. Complain, to say that one is unhappy with or annoyed by someone or something. New Zealand, ready to welcome digital nomads.
New Zealand has become the latest place to make it easier for digital nomads to spend time working in the country. From now on, people who work while they travel will be able to spend up to 90 days in New Zealand. The new rules apply to anyone working for a foreign company, as well as influencers who are paid by foreign businesses. The government says it hopes the new rules will encourage people to spend more time in the country. The country's immigration minister, Erica Stanford, said, "They will spend more because they're here for longer. And the thing that we're really hoping is that they fall in love with the place." After the 90 days of the visa, people may be able to stay, but they might have to pay a residence tax. Last year was a bad one for New Zealand's economy, with high interest rates and high unemployment. And tourist numbers haven't yet returned to the levels they were at before the coronavirus pandemic. Another minister, Nicola Willis, added that the government hopes the new rules will encourage foreign workers and their companies to think about doing more business with New Zealand in the future. But not everyone is happy with the new rules. Some lawmakers have said that it's not right that the government has been asking the country's own workers to return to the office, while at the same time welcoming digital nomads to work remotely. And while digital nomad visas have become more common around the world, residents in the countries offering them have sometimes complained about these visitors' effect on the local housing market. Some say that digital nomads moving into an area makes it more difficult for local people to find a place to live.